So here's the newest one I acquired. It's another Waltham Play One Day clock, but this one has a round design on it. It also has fake weights, as you can tell. It's only a spring-driven clock. Includes a key also. Also, the reason why it's not working because we have not checked why it wasn't working. Here's the side of it. Back of it. No, the bottom. So let's open the door and the store. These weights are fake, by the way. You can't even pull them up. And my other Waltham clocks fake weights are fake. So yeah, I tried winding it with a key, but it still doesn't want. And this one's for 1 minute then stops. Keeps on repeatedly doing it, but I don't know why. See, it stops. So here's a chime for it. And of course, it does not have count-wheel striking, so it's safe to turn back without any problems. That includes the video right now. I hope we can get it fixed. If not, we'll just leave it here as our display item for my clock correction video, and then we'll chime for it. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll see you guys later. You hear my George clock chiming? Okay, now video's done.